a watina konya so maame Gertrude Araba Isaba Torkono opeso wo yini free ho enti Supreme Court nka bi ma no said ye be ya ontumi nyi maame no emfiri na konya so kona bra enti yanna ana Supreme Court tena asem no so ebna watena ase no Professor Henrietta Mensa Bunsi ana ekukudam enumu a watena akonya no so no oye wo mutitreni na wo anu wotre se wenyankra bi ade free chief justice enten maame Gertrude Araba Isaba Torkono ya wose sankra no attorney general na toma no na attorney general ankra wotoma no ene se dimadie bi ekoso wo musa a conference for state attorney free pruda etoso enson adikosini da etoso edu enti Kesi bia esasa date ntem wo no mem wo munni asem no wo munta so akosi se wo mbaya conference na wie enti enne asetena wo koya nanka o tafumra sebedeni asem wo de koda Supreme Court no wo muntumi nni asem no na dapote so pa wo de besa afra asem no asaba betena so de wo mun said nim because wo mu ye no indefinitely si e ka say indefinitely a atese ye nim dapote pa ye besa afra asem no bio ni aba betena so esan say conference for state attorney wo mu nsie mudie na asemi ba asa no ana lawyer ni a wo tutade ate Vincent Kowasefua oye former attorney general yewa Godfred Yebo Adame an wase asemi mompa de enyede na atapa bem se 2022 ho ana James Kesi oye asen no fumra sebedeni wo mo de sobuo bi ebo no na sobuo a wo mo de bo no wo mo se alleged forgery of passport or travel certificate the passport wa wodi tu kwan no wodi nensa keka eno ntia ye Ghana fo nim sam dada se o panipa ba ko a wabre wo Ghana hapa eye James Kesi ha eduru baabi yesi akoya ba election na papa ya sa komini wa sa to aso wo court we di court akonia be di court akonia be di court akonia ba enti enne court akwa setna aya criminal division high court Accra ha na court Indefinitely aya Justice Mary Mame Ekwe Yanzu onu wotena akonyam na watase asam no wo ma semwa fretifi akwa akosi atoye frepoye edi akwa akosi na nafo so wo ma nya sobuo papa bia amfa mbo James Kesi enti enne tinton time James Kesi asam no ya tem ya discharge no onkofie na onkonko bona mpesi ndi enti court so aye acquitted and discharged.
I mean, that of course quite odd for him to say that state attorneys conference can put down all the cases that come to the attorney. He is not a state attorney. He cannot come to court. The matter is important that the removal of the chief justice. He couldn't come or set the person to call the attorney. The deputy attorney also not a state attorney. He couldn't come. And what makes it more odd is the fact that they sent state attorneys, not even one but two senior state attorneys, to come inform the court that they are at a conference, and so the matter should be there. That is all.
I mean, we know the consultation process are ongoing, and that is the process that you wanted to hold. I mean, that would have some repercussions in that they could come to the prima facie determination while you wait for the hearing to take place.
I don't answer the question.
The question is that you are trying to halt the consultation process that are ongoing. While the case has not been fixed for hearing yet, there is a possibility that that consultation process could come to a conclusion. Is that not what you are trying to halt?
Well, there's an application for the country injunction pending. So why would anybody proceed? I'll find it quite interesting and quite odd. It would be the height of a discarded rule of law if they proceed in that manner.
So as far as you are concerned, you expect the president to halt the constitution, the council of case while this is pending?
It's not my expectation. It's the expectation of the law. the law expects that such regard for due process be observed. And so it will be actually a confirmation of their disregard for the rule of law. And I think that if you see the affidavit filed by the Attorney General.
I mean, there are those who have made reference to the fact that in that affidavit, he makes the point that there's no law that requires a fair hearing to be given to the Chief Justice. And there are some who are also saying that even under the previous government, the President gave a hearing after he had referred the matter to the Council of State already.
I would say that the Lord has a fine way of exposing the hearts and desires of men. The Lord has an interesting way of exposing the hearts, the true desires of men. And indeed, it's been evidence in the affidavit filed by the Attorney General. They did not intend to accord any right of hearing to the Chief Justice until the matter was filed. They indicated it in the affidavit. So it's quite clear. Okay, I'll leave it at that. The merits determined by the court will argue in court. Thank you.
Against petitions for the removal of the Chief Justice Torkono has been adjourned indefinitely. Counsel for the applicant Godfred Yeboah-Dame criticized his successor for his absence in court.
Led by his lawyers, Member of Parliament for Old Trafford Vincent Asifua was expecting to move his application to injunct the processes seeking to remove Justice Torkono as Chief Justice. Justice Professor Henry Tamensa Bonsu, presiding over a 5-member panel at the court sitting on Wednesday, April 9, indicated that the court had received a letter stating that all cases involving the Attorney General from April 7 to 10 should be adjourned. State attorneys officially requested an adjournment as a courtesy to the court, but counsel for the applicant, Godfred Yeboah-Dame, a former Attorney General, was displeased with the development. Dame noted that the Attorney General attending a seminar should not bar the hearing of the suits at the Apex Court. He therefore sought a brief adjournment of the matter, proposing Monday, April 14. The Supreme Court adjourned the suit indefinitely after noting that it would be inappropriate to fix a date since the request by the Attorney General, Dr. Dominic Aine, was approved by the Chief Justice and accordingly communicated to all judges. The immediate past Attorney General spoke to the media after the proceedings.
I mean, that was quite odd for him to say that state attorneys operation for the matter. All the cases that happen, he is not a state attorney, he could not come to court. But it's important that the removal of the Chief Justice, the clinical or state the Kesi to report the attorney. The deputy attorney also